Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Tesla Model 3 and the Nissan GT-R. We'll dive into their core differences, examining everything from raw power to everyday practicality. This comparison will help you understand which vehicle aligns best with your driving needs and lifestyle, whether you prioritize electric innovation or traditional sports car thrill. Let's explore their unique strengths and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to raw performance, both cars deliver exhilarating experiences. The Model 3 Performance with its electric motors offers instant torque, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.1 seconds. The GT-R, a legendary sports car, typically hits 60 miles per hour in about 2.5 seconds, thanks to its powerful twin-turbocharged V6 engine. Each provides a distinct thrill, one with silent, electric power, the other with a roaring combustion engine. Beyond speed, daily usability is a key factor. The Model 3 excels here, offering a comfortable, tech-filled cabin and ample storage, making it ideal for everyday commutes and family trips. Its electric range of over 300 miles means fewer stops. The GT-R, while a blast on the track, is less practical for daily errands, with a tighter interior and smaller trunk. Its fuel consumption is also considerably higher than the Model 3's electric efficiency. The driving experience truly sets these two apart. The Model 3 offers a refined, quiet, and futuristic ride packed with advanced driver assistance systems. It's a comfortable cruiser with impressive acceleration. The GT-R, on the other hand, delivers a raw, mechanical, and incredibly engaging experience, perfect for enthusiasts seeking a traditional sports car feel. Considering value, the Model 3 often has lower running costs, while the GT-R offers a unique, high-performance legacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.